Alright, y'all, welcome back. You with Mr.Ssippi Soul, aka Mississippi Best Kept Secret. And tonight we having cheesy noodles with broccoli and spinach. And oh yeah, them leg quarters smoked to perfection. Follow me. I told you, I know the way. Alright, y'all. Just making a little noodle mix right quick. Got spinach, broccoli, tomatoes, green peppers, wheat noodles. Got old cheese sauce I'm working with, y'all. We still working with it. But let me show you when I put them together. Alright, y'all. Stay tuned. Alright, y'all, as you can see, I had to take it out that cast iron skillet and put it in my pot. It didn't change nothing. Now see what's going on? See them tomatoes? You know what I'm saying? You got spinach, you got broccoli, and that cheese sauce. Alright, y'all, what you think? Cheese and spaghetti with tomatoes, spinach. What's up with y'all with this? Got a little broccoli. Yeah, y'all. And that's them old leg quarters. Smoked about 4 hours. Yeah. And them things tender too, boy. What you said? See them. It still got a little texture to it. But yes, indeed. Hey, y'all. This is when you know you got a good piece of smoked chicken. Now, I could have let it smoke till it just went on and separated itself. But check that little resistance, y'all. You see that? It got a nice little yeah to it. See? Nice little yeah to it. You see it? Yeah. It's ready. It is. I just had to show y'all. Tenderism. Alright, y'all. There you have it. You heard me? Yeah. Smoked grilled chicken to perfection. And cheese and spaghetti noodles, y'all. And I got like a little barbecue sauce glaze on them. I'm gonna work around that, y'all. You see them noodles? You see them noodles? And I did it butcher style, y'all. Y'all see what's going on. Yeah, he done all the way through. Did the Caribbean style. They like to cut their leg quarters up, y'all. So we just doing a little something. You know what I'm saying? Just showing folks, man. No matter where you at in this world, we'll still eat the same way. Everybody love chicken. How you love that?